Hey everybody, so in today's video, I am just going to do my common squishy collection. So let's get started. First, I have this panda bun, and it's very squishy. Next, I have this blush bun covering its mouth. I have this another blush bun, and it's closing its eyes. Sorry about the plastic noises. I have this party bun. And it's not squishy. I have this cupcake. I have this quite squishy bean bun. This is the squishiest bean bun I have. I got this purple macaron, and this quality, the cream wouldn't separate from the macaron shell, so this is a really good quality one. And it's also pretty squishy. I have this very soft female panda bun with the red bow. First, I have this really big cake. So the bottom is very defected. I did not do this defect. My brother did because, you know, he just played around and just ripped stuff of my squishies. So this is the squishiness. It has an air bubble here. Let me find it here. But it smells like popcorn and salted banana bread, which is really awesome. I have this blush bun, which is really dirty. I will take some of my blush buns and compare. So this is the comparison between the old and the new. So as you can see, it's a huge difference. This is so yellow, but this is very squishy, in my opinion. I bring this everywhere I go because this is so squishy, in my opinion. I really like this squishy. I have this like a bucktooth melon bun. Bucktooth. It's pretty squishy for a melon bun. And by the way, I'm not doing any trade, or I'm not going to sell any of these unless, you know, I say so or something. So, yep, I'm not gonna sell any of these. Because these are basically my personal collection. Next, I have two of these Minion buns, bitten bean buns, which is exactly the same. I'm not going to squish this one, but they're exactly the same squishiness. So this one, and it's very nicely shaded. I might be selling this, but so far I'm not. I got my old panda bun, so this is the female one. If you want to compare the old and the new, the old one is the female one. It's very old. And then this one is the tongue sticking out. As you can see, the new and the old. This is the old. This is the new. Huge color difference. Next, I got this squishy, which is one of my first squishy, or basically my second squishy ever. The ear is a bit like torn off, so I have this box which I keep my smallest squishy ever, and this is it. So at the bottom, there's a rip, which I just made it yesterday, like OMG. Okay, but anyways, there's a super squishy for a tiny squishy. Tiny squishy is usually like rock hard, like an eraser hard. So this one is not. This is squishy, like awesome squishiness, and it's like a feeling here. It's with pink icing, white and brown drizzle, which is basically chocolate. So I keep this in this beautiful box. So next I got this minion bun, and it is basically yellow with a minion. Is what the back looks like. Sorry about the plastic noises again. I have this pig, and it's very defected, as you can tell, because I kind of squished it a lot last time, but now I don't, because it's not that squishy as I thought it would be anymore. Last time, to me, this was like extremely squishy, but now it's not at all. So, yep. I got this super defected sugar shower egg, as you can tell. This is probably the most defected squishy ever. Like, most defected egg squishy ever. It's been torn apart, coloring has depuffed, but it's super squishy, as you can tell. I have some minion bread, so this is one of them. And I got this one. Sorry about the plastic noises. I have this fake My Melody cake roll, and it smells so good, but I keep in the plastic so it wouldn't lose its smell. And it's pretty squishy as well. I bought this from my friend, which I've chopped up her squishy, but it's very squishy, that's why I bought it. So, yep. And last of all, I got this super soft anime kind of character bun. So that's all for my squishy collection. I hope you enjoyed my video. Sorry it's long for very little squishies, but yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!